So can you tell me what is something that you used to do in your past due to your habits? ऐसा क्या है जो आप पास्ट में करते थे लेकिन अपनी आदतों की वजह से? Like someone can say, I used to awake early morning. I used to awake early morning. कोई वैसे की बोल सकता है. I used to make very tasty food. I used to make very टेस्टी फूड. ऐसा कुछ जो आप अपनी आदत की वजह से करते थे. कम सोचता था. I used to think less. I used to think ज़्यादा सोचता था. I used to think too much. I used to think कम बोलता था. I used to speak very less. I used to speak very ज़्यादा बोलता था. तो I used to speak too much. I used to speak हंसता था बहुत ज़्यादा तेज से, अगर ज़ोर से, तो I used to laugh very loudly. I used to laugh very loudly हो गया. लाइक जैसे कि देखो, दोस्तों के साथ कैंटीन जाता था तो I used to go to canteen with my friends हो गया. लाइक जैसे कि इंडोर गेम्स खेलता था तो I used to play indoor games. आउटडोर गेम खेलता था तो I used to play outdoor games. फॉर्मल क्लॉथ्स पहनता था. I used to wear formal clothes. साधारण कपड़े पहनता था. I used to wear simple clothes. फैंसी कपड़े पहनता था. I used to wear fancy clothes. जैसे कि ट्रेडिशनल क्लॉथ्स अगर पहनता था I used to wear ट्रेडिशनल क्लॉथ्स हो गया. लाइक जैसे कि बोल सकता हूँ महंगे कपड़े पहनता था तो I used to wear एक्सपेंसिव क्लॉथ्स हो गया. कोई बोलता है मैं जीन्स एंड शर्ट पहनता था so I used to wear जीन्स एंड शर्ट हो गया. लाइक जैसे कोई बोलता है मैं टी शर्ट पहनता था. I used to wear टी शर्ट. कोई बोलता है अगर मैं जेल पेन से लिखता था, मैं किससे लिखता था अगर, तो I used to write with a gel pen. कोई बोलता है अगर मैं बॉल पेन से लिखता था I used to write with a बॉल पेन हो गया. लाइक जैसे कि कोई बोलता है मैं कोकोनट ऑयल यूज़ करता था so I used to use कोकोनट ऑयल हो गया. लाइक जैसे कि बोल सकता हूँ कोई ऐसा काम जो आप करते थे पास्ट में लेकिन किसकी वजह से, अपनी आदतों की वजह से. ऐसा कोई काम के बारे में हम लोग डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. लाइक I used to drink cold water in summer. I used to drink cold water in summer. जैसे ही कोई बोल सकता है यहाँ पे ऐसे ही. I used to throw garbage in the dustbin. I used to throw garbage in the. Sometimes I used to fight with my friends. Sometimes I used to fight with my friends. Sometimes I used to get angry easily. I used to get angry easily. कभी कभी मैं जल्दी गुस्सा हो जाता था. जैसे कोई बोल सकता है यहाँ पे ऐसे ही. कोई बोलता है अगर अपना हैबिचुअल एक्शन कि मैं अपने पेरेंट्स की देखभाल करता था so I used to take care of my parents. I used to take care of my parents हो गया. Like someone can say that I used to listen English songs. I used to read English newspaper when I was in my college. When I was in 8th standard. When I was in 8th standard, I used to write a lot. I used to write a lot. When I was in 10th standard, someone can say that I used to study a lot. I used to study a. कोई बोलता है मैं छत पर सोता था. जैसे कि देखो पास्ट का हैबिचुअल एक्शन हो सकता है किसी का, तो कैसे बोलेगा I used to sleep on the terrace. I used to sleep on the terrace हो गया. लाइक जैसे कोई बोल सकता है, कोई बोलता है अगर मैं फ्लोर पे सोता था तो I used to sleep on the फ्लोर हो गया. लाइक जैसे कि कोई ऐसा काम जो आप करते थे पास्ट में अपनी आदतों की वजह से. मैं आपको कुछ और पास्ट के हैबिचुअल, आपको पास्ट की मेमोरीज में लेके जाता हूँ. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन माई चाइल्डहुड आई यूज्ड टू वॉच शक्तिमान. I used to watch Timbarusha. I used to watch Shakalaka Boom Boom. There were so many good TV serials on Doordarshan. I used to watch Doordarshan in my childhood. So what is something that you used to do in your childhood? Someone can say in my childhood I used to eat sand. I used to eat like someone can say I used to eat chalk. I used to eat chalk in my childhood. Someone can say when I was child I used to cry a lot. I used to cry a lot. जैसे कोई बोल सकता है कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा रोता था. जैसे used to. Someone can say I used to wear black color a lot. I used to wear black color a lot हो गया. लाइक जैसे कि I used to keep my surrounding area clean. I used to keep my surrounding area clean. Like someone can say I used to watch English movies to improve my English. I used to watch English movies to improve my English like someone can like in holidays, in school holidays, I used to go to my village. I used to go to my village. Like someone can say, in my past, I used to work at a shop. I used to work at a shop. Someone can say that I used to work in a factory. Okay, like
After finishing my studies, I used to go for cycling with my brother.
I used to go for cycling with my brother. Okay, that is also you can say. Like after finishing my food, I used to go for a walk. I used to go for a walk. Okay, like this because of there was no work. So that means I used to waste my time. I used to just waste my time, or I used to do nothing. I used to do nothing. Like someone can say. What is something?
During lockdown, I used to think about normal days.
You used to think about normal days during lockdown. Okay, that was a good example. What is something?
During lockdown, I used to play gambler.
You used to play gambling. Okay, maybe we can say. Okay, but that's not a good work to play gambling. Okay.
I used to play many outdoor games with my teacher when I was in 12th.
When I was in 12th class. When I was in college, I used to play so many games. I used to play volleyball. I used to play basketball with my friends. Sometimes I used to play cricket with them. Sometimes I used to play badminton with them. Sometimes I used to steal food from my friend's tiffin. Sometimes I used to steal his sandwiches. Sometimes I used to steal his sandwiches. Okay, like something maybe. Sometimes we used to fight for the food. Sometimes we used to fight for food. Someone can say I used to bite my nails. I used to bite my nails like
During lockdown, I used to play many indoor games.
During lockdown we used to play many indoor games. Okay, that is also we can say.
My friend only used to write on classmate copies.
Your friend used to write on only classmate copies, or you can say that my friend used to use only classmates copy. Okay, that is also we can say maybe. My friend used to use very expensive pens. My friend used to use very expensive pens like before some years my dog used to awake after me. My dog used to awake after me, like someone can say. What is something? Like someone can also say, like my cat used to protect my dog. My cat used to protect my dog, like someone can say. You can also say, like in my childhood I used to run behind butterflies. I used to run behind butterflies, or I used to catch butterflies. I used to catch butterflies, like also you can say. What is something? कोई बोलता है अगर मैं बहुत ज़्यादा expensive watch पहनता था, तो also you can say like I used to wear very expensive watch. हो गया, like जैसे कि someone can also say.
During lockdown, I used to wear mask.
During lockdown we all used to wear masks. हो गया, like जैसे कि we used to take precautions. We used to take precautions. हो गया, like during lockdown we used to sanitize our hands time to time. We used to sanitize our hands time to time during lockdown, like someone can say. What is something? People used to use stones. People used to use stones to light the fire. To light the fire, like we can say. Okay, in ancient time. Like in ancient time, people used to eat raw flesh of animals. People used to eat raw flesh of animals. कच्चा मांस खाते थे जानवरों का in our ancient time. Like someone can also say that in my past I used to help my father in farming. I used to help my father in farming, or I used to do field work. I used to do field work when I was doing a job. When I was doing a job, like someone can also say I used to smile a lot. I used to smile a lot, like someone can say you used to give fake smile. You used to give a fake smile, like someone can say. Someone can say I used to wear denim's jacket. I used to wear leather shoes. I used to wear leather shoes. I used to wear a Titan's watch. I used to wear a Titan's watch, like someone can also say. I used to make many excuses when it comes to do any work. When it comes to do any work, I used to make many excuses. Okay, how many of you used to fear of ghost? How many of you? Then you can also say that I used to fear of ghosts in my childhood. Okay. Like I used to attend or visit every carnival. I used to visit every carnival, like someone can say मेला को बोलते हैं. When I felt bored.
When I felt bored, I used to collect more information about politics.
You used to collect more information about politics. Okay. Or someone can also say I used to take too much interest. I used to take too much interest in politics. That is also you can say maybe.
I used to fight with my brother.
I used to fight with my elder brother. बड़े भाई को क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? Elder brother. छोटे भाई को younger brother. Okay. I used to fight with my siblings. Siblings भाई बहन को बोलते हैं. Is there anyone who used to believe in luck? Someone can also say like I used to believe in my luck. I used to believe in my destiny. I used to believe in my destiny. Like someone can say that in my past I used to blame others. I used to blame others for my failures. I used to blame others for my failures. Like someone can also say I used to read stories of Akbar and Birbal. I used to read or learn so many dohas. I used to read or learn so many dohas of Kabir Das. It's like also you can say like if you used to read Mahabharat or Ramayana, then you can say I used to read Ramayana or Mahabharat. Like also you can say I used to watch Ramayana or Mahabharat on Doordarshan. On Doordarshan I used to watch Ramayana and Mahabharat. Like also you can say I used to watch Vikram Betal. I used to watch Vikram Betal in my childhood. Like someone can also say I used to fear of giving interviews. Okay, someone can say like I used to feel nervous while speaking English. While speaking English, or I used to get nervous when someone asks me a question in English. When someone asked me a question in English.